Budget-friendly hotel na literal katapat lang ng train station at may katabi pa na Family Mart. Dito yan sa Apa Hotel, Asakusa, Ekimae. We book this on Klook and the price range is around 2,000 to 5,000 per night depending on how early you book or which platform you use. Tip is, check from time to time. Minsan may sale or open slot. This hotel has good reviews online. 3 stars hotel siya based on most booking sites. The full quick room tour is on our YouTube channel. Pero here's a quick rundown. Kumpleto ang amenities. May tuwalya, sabon, shampoo, shaving kit, and even hair ties. May pre-coffee and drinking water. Yes, drinkable yung faucet water and sobrang linis talaga. May air purifier, electric kettle, mini rep, at TV pa. Tuwang-tuwa pa ako sa shoehorn stick na to na para hindi ka mahirapan magsuot ng sapatos. Everyday pinapalitan ng tuwalya. If gusto mong magpalinis ng room, ilagay mo to sa pinto. Sobrang convenient and smooth ang experience namin dito. Highly recommended. Again, for the full video, check out our YouTube channel. Yun lang. Follow for more Japan travel tips.